In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Pressable for high-performance WordPress hosting. If your business depends on fast, reliable websites, this decision matters more than most people realize. Slow server response times can hurt user experience, reduce conversions, and drag down your search rankings. When you compare premium WordPress hosting in 2026, Cloudways and Pressable represent two very different approaches, and understanding that difference is the key to choosing the right platform. First, let's look at the technical separation between them. Cloudways is a managed layer built on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. In practice, that means you're launching a dedicated cloud server with allocated RAM and CPU just for your environment. You get much more control, including the ability to adjust server-level settings, scale resources, and manage core performance tools. Pressable takes a very different route. It runs on Automatic's WP Cloud, so your site lives inside a highly curated WordPress-focused infrastructure where the platform team handles the deeper server configuration for you. Next, consider how each platform handles limits. Cloudways does not impose artificial visitor caps or strict site count restrictions in the same way. You can host multiple websites on a single server as long as the total load fits within your available resources. Pressable, on the other hand, organizes plans around install limits, storage allowances, and monthly visit thresholds. That can be perfectly fine for predictable workloads, but it is something you need to watch carefully if traffic spikes are common. Now let's talk performance and reliability. Pressable stands out for built-in high availability and geo-redundancy, along with bundled security and backup features. Cloudways shines with its Thunderstack setup, combining Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached. On servers with 2 GB of RAM or more, you also get Redis object caching support, which can make a major difference for dynamic WordPress sites. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, open your browser, go to cloudways.com, sign in to your dashboard, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized option. Then pick either DigitalOcean or Vultr, ideally using a premium or high-frequency plan for faster NVMe storage. Set the server size to at least 2 GB of RAM to unlock stronger caching benefits. After that, choose the data center closest to your primary audience and launch the server. Provisioning usually finishes in just a few minutes. If you prefer a more hands-off experience, go to pressable.com, sign in, choose the plan tier that matches your site needs, and let the platform create your environment. Pressable is ideal when you want managed uptime, backups, CDN support, and WordPress specialized assistance without dealing with low-level server tuning. Once your environment is ready on Cloudways, open your application dashboard and go